Food often takes a big bite out of your travel budget. But with a little creativity, you can eat well and save money. In just minutes, you can create a delicious restaurant-quality meal. Save money and savor the flavors of your destination.
Sandy Ingram here. I am a U.S. expat traveling the world slowly. In this video, I shared one of the ways I keep my monthly travel costs below $1,500. For example, during the months when I am not traveling, I am saving for my transport cost to my next destination. My rent in Bogota, Colombia, where I am in March of 2025, is $525. My food cost is around $250 a month. Entertainment includes walking around the city, Netflix, listening to free audiobooks on YouTube, talking to different expat groups on Facebook and creating videos for you guys. After paying for my monthly internet costs, such as Grammarly, InVideo, my US and Mexican cell phones, and my travel medical insurance, I still have enough money to save for my next trip. Subscribe. If you like quick and easy recipes, let me know in the comments section.